Today I took 3 trades, 3 losers, and my plan just did not work out at all. So today we went in with a overlapping lower, almost completely lower TPO. On the CPO it was overlapping lower, but on the cams it was an outside relationship. So I thought maybe there could be a potential for a chop day, but market was opening up above value and right at H3-ish, but inside range, and above CPR. So because it was opening up above value, I was thinking to long value area high here, and that's one of my better success rate setups. And so I liked that, and I was aiming for around H4 and then supply. That did not happen at all. It sold off the whole morning, and now it's at S2 and L5. So yeah, as soon as it opened, it started rallying, and I was kind of getting a bit of FOMO here because I wanted to get in on this little pullback. One, because it was around H3, and then it could go to H4. And I was really, really close to entering this. I mean, I guess the results wouldn't have mattered anyways, but I was seriously considering going long over here. So I saw this CVD hidden divergence and the delta divergence here. I also saw that it was pulling back, got supported, and then heading up now. Especially when it tested again, and then POC formed down here, and then started rallying. I did like that, and I thought I missed it. So I was really stubbornly waiting for the 77 area, which was value area high, but I thought maybe this pullback could be a good chance to get long. But it went exactly to pre-market high here, 69.91, and started rejecting. And it formed a very nice wick there, a high volume shooting star there, very high volume shooting star on the 1 minute. So I noticed some warning signs here, right? And I was saying, it started coming towards 69.77, which is the value area high level. And I was thinking, it did reject off of pre-market high. Do I still want to enter this thing long? And so I was debating, but I saw this huge hammer candle on the 20 range with a very nice delta divergence and a B shape with a POC at the bottom here. 1 minute delta divergence. We can also see the B shape over here with a delta divergence and a bunch of sellers down here. And I really, really liked it. So now I'm looking at a retest down into about the 75 area, because that's where the B shape starts. And so I wanted to see the market hold at around 75, and then I could enter long. And I thought I saw that. Kind of came back in to about 75.5, and then started bouncing. So I entered with 2 contracts here when this bounced, and yeah, it was moving so fast that I didn't even get filled on my second contract, but when it came down I got filled. So I don't know, it was looking good over here, but then it went up and got rejected, which I did not like. So then starts coming down, and I got stopped out here. But the thing is, I never broke under 72.5, which was my stop on ES. So when I did get stopped out, I kind of felt cheated, I guess, because never actually hit my stop. And it seemingly started to bounce again. So I went in again with the same exact stop, and it also did not work out. I mean, I thought it looked good because it was forming a delta divergence again over here. I honestly thought it was a decent setup. 77 is value area high. That was right here, and these were the 2 trades, basically the same setup. I just never, the buyers never just came in. Like it held, but it just kept getting squashed by the sellers there. So then it just, sellers comes back in and squashes it. So I got 2 losses there, which should have been 1, I guess. And then it stopped me out, and then it started bouncing again. This time with a 2-minute delta divergence here, and then another CVD hidden divergence over here with a 1-minute delta divergence. So I liked that. It formed another B shape here with the POC at the lows here, another 20 range delta divergence. And again, I liked it, and I said this is going to be my one last try, see if it works out. And I entered just 1 contract here. It did have a little pop, and then yeah, and then got squashed, and that was it. So maybe there's a second pop here. Yeah, there's a second pop. Again, got squashed. Tries for a 3rd time, and yeah, and then it fails. So yeah, and then it stops me out, and that was it. That was my 3 max losses for the day, and I just sold off the entire morning. Yeah, so my whole thesis was off. It did. I mean, if I shorted that pre-market high, it would have been very good, but that wasn't in my plan. And yeah, and now it's all the way down here. What is that? 100-point sell-off. So yeah, if I shorted that 1-minute high volume shooting star, I've been very, very green, but plan was wrong.